Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're going to be making a circle dog. You can do a pattern, you can just do one color, but that's what it's going to look like. If that looks cute, follow along. Okay, we're going to start with a piece of paper. We don't want to get Sharpie onto the desk, so just put one piece of paper under. That should be big. So, take a pencil. No, I'm just going to take a new pencil. Look how sharp that is. Oh my gosh, you could barely see the bottom. Okay, and start with drawing a circle for the body, head, the eyes, just the body, and the head. So you're going to start out like that. Looking like that so far. Then you're going to erase a little part and erase another little part. Erase one on the bottom. Okay, and I'm going to make one right here and right there. So now you should have some erased parts. See? And you're going to draw on the top, tippy top, you're going to draw like a loop. Okay. There, and we're going to go whoop again on the other side. Circle, 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 and circle. So you should be looking like that so far. If you want, you can just do that like I am doing. I am just putting a line between the ears, and I'll turn off the light so you can see it. There. So let's go back to business. Let's make two circle eyes. Dang it. It's downstairs. Okay, I am going to erase that. Try to do this eye again. Okay, and you're just going to do that, and we'll make one little circle in, that one little circle in, then color that. Just like this. Just like so. Just keep coloring it in till it's finished. Same thing for the same other side. Don't go on the white spots. I'll tell you what to do for the color. That's for coloring time. We're going to be doing that. We're going to be fixing that with coloring time. Don't worry, we will have coloring time. And that's what it should be looking like. There. Wait. Here, here, here. You might have some bad spots, so just finish that. Okay. Should be looking like that. Does that look cute or what? Then we're going to draw a puppy mouth. You just do a W, but don't put any points. Make the middle a little higher. Put a circle at the top. then color that in. Yeah, they do have black noses. Can't remember. We have 2 dogs, so I know a lot. They like to play, especially little Dakota. If you never saw my... Oh, wait. You didn't post it yet, Mom.
A dog video?
Yeah. Dakota's day in life.
Mm.
You never posted it. Okay. Your nose should be looking like that. Okay. And then, gotta do that. And you're going to put a little circle, line, 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 other side, circle, line, 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 top, circle, line, 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 circle, line, line, line. Should be looking like that now. Then, if you want, you can put some lines in it, and you could Sharpie it. I am going to do both of those. First, I'm going to make lines. Make sure if it's a white spot, don't go through. But if it's a color spot, you can. There. So look at that. Show.
You can do this.
Fine. If you like it, subscribe to my channel. I forgot what my channel's called.
I don't know, but they're on it now. So they should know.
Yeah. Okay, so you're just going to put your pencil down and start sharpening. I'm going to just color this in with a Sharpie. Don't use Sharpies first, because if you mess up, that's a mess up for good. Can't erase Sharpies. I'll tell you that. That's a baby mistake, so you big kids out there should know that. And I am only 7 years old. And I know that. Go to first grade. It's my brother's birthday. I'm going to be in 2nd grade. So my friends should be in 2nd grade too. 3rd graders be learning that stuff, but I'm surprised my friends, 1st graders, are already learning that. That's why I'm surprised. Okay, then if you are coloring in, if you have a special one, I prefer you to use it. It should be looking like this. Has 2 sides open. See, a skinny side and a fat side. And I prefer you with a skinny side. I would prefer you for lines. The front side, I would prefer you for coloring in. So, yeah. Okay. So just finishing sharpening. It's okay if you take a long time, because you're my life if you do. My mom is watching. So... and don't be afraid to pause it. If you pause it, it's normal. Don't be afraid. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. My brother is watching a show. Please don't be scared of crocodiles. It's a crocodile show. They have a pet crocodile. They are so weird. I have watched it.
So you didn't outline that one or that one? The circle part?
Oh. Okay. So yours should be looking like this. Doesn't that look so cute? Don't be afraid to try it. It is so fun coloring with me. Now, if you have different colors, but my favorite pattern is this one. It's blue, purple, pink, dark pink. This pattern starts with the blue, not the pink. My favorite color is blue. And wait, I don't want to use this pattern this time. Just gonna plop it right there. And you use this pattern. First, I'm going to do the eyes. The eyes will be this. This is the eyes. Just putting this cute pink, baby pink. Dang it. These paws are black. Just remember, these are black. Okay. We have these. These are very special. They can go over Sharpie, any kind of marker, or anything like that. It can go over anything, even itself. Like, if you have these, this color can go over this color and make it this color. That's amazing, right? I'm going to use gray, but if it's a Sharpie you're using or any kind, I prefer you to use these first, but I was too lazy. I didn't do it.
You can always go back with the Sharpie on top.
Yeah, usually. I still know where it is. I know it is just on top. I just see the paper. Okay. So, I'm just finishing this up. Gonna go back over it in just a little. And Sharpies can go back over it. I know, that's pretty cool. So I'm going to go back over it with a Sharpie. So here I go. La la la, let me go, go, go. Here it goes, trickling up. I'm gonna use the fat side. I'm a fat, 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 fat dog. Fat, 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 fat dog. I dropped my bone. I love dogs. Whoa, 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 whoa. I know that's pretty funny. I just made up that song, Mother. I mean, just made it up. Just a second. I was thinking of entertainment. So I thought of a dog song. Entertainment. This is like entertainment for your daughter. So I am now going to go with some green. So what matches gray, people? Does anyone know what matches gray? Purple. Do I have any purple? Do I have any purple at all? I can't remember my purple. Okay. So I'm just going to use normal markers now. Purple. Slow now, going speedy fast. Look at this. I'll use some pink as well. Okay, first I need to go over my mistake. There. Does this look pretty cute? It's a dog. Okay, so Mom, I'm going to ask you a question. So, if you love dogs and you have 2 or 3 dogs, you know all about dogs like I do. So, Mama, how do you spell roof?
Like a dog, woof or rough?
Dog.
Like sometimes
Like
people-
dogs.
Like a cartoon dog can say rough, like RUFF, or woof, WOOF.
Mom, I want the real dog.
Both of them.
Okay.
It's like different types
Rough.
of dogs. Okay, RUFF.
F.
Yeah.
Dang it. RUFF.
Mm-hmm.
I'm writing roof. Why did I just write an L? Okay, there. Roof. Okay, now I'm going to use the Sharpie again. Just go over all that. Whoop. Okay. Ruff. The dog says, ruff. Look, ruff. I'm a dog. So I'm taking off my headband, so I'm going. Oh, it's a piece of paper that just fell down. I don't have hair. Okay. That's our dog. Okay, thanks for watching my video. And subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button for any new videos. And subscribe to my dog.